Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Brushed aluminum running boards. Black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back. Trailer hitch. GLE 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set of all-season and regular floor mats. Full down rear seats. Cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, lane keep assist, Harman Kardon sound system, an anthracite poplar wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Also included is smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Pedal shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Navigation. Also included is the parking assistance package, which is going to give you a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors. Hard keys for a media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 19,353 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.